Let's see if we can hit a jump. Woo! 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 Hey, what's up guys? Alex here from AttackNoClass.com, coming to you with an unboxing of a monitor from AoC. This is the AoC C24B1H. I know it just rolls off the tongue, these names, doesn't it? So this is a 23.6 inch or 24 inch monitor. It is a curved version. This is VA 60 Hertz panel, pretty good for casual gaming or not super competitive, or maybe even consoles like you can see here, my PS4. This is going to replace my secondary monitor, which is right here, an AoC monitor as well, which is, I believe that's 19 inch. I bought that one for $3,800. It has no HDMI port. Monitors now have gotten way more affordable, and this one is about $8,500 right now. Or you can get its smaller flat screen brother, which is the, I forgot the model number, but it's a 22 inch, 1080p, 60 Hertz, and it's only gonna cost you $5,500 something. That's a super affordable one. This is slightly more luxurious because it's slightly bigger at 24 inches, and it's $8,500. Pretty affordable for a 1080p monitor, if I do say so myself. And I think this is 4ms, so pretty good response time as well for video games. So anyway, we're gonna unbox this guy right now, and see you in a bit. Alrighty, let's get right into this unboxing. This one is outside the box. Pull that, pull that. I don't want, never follow this stuff anyways. There we go. Yes. Yes. All right, guys, so here's what we have inside the box. We have your typical AC plug thingamabob. And then we have, this looks like a VGA cable. So there you go, classic VGA cable if you ever need one. Oh boy, I don't know where to put this at this point. VGA cable is not dead apparently. We have, Philips adapter right here for power, which is interesting because I think AoC is partnered with Philips, or Philips maybe, monitors are maybe making AoC, I don't know. We have our monitor little stand here. Oh, you don't need any tools. You can just use your little, twisty thing. Here we go. Oh, that's pretty light. There we go. Classic styrofoams on the monitor, very nice. Feet are plastic, stand is plastic. This shouldn't be a very heavy monitor anyway. There we go. The feet are, of course, are fortified by this metal piece. And there we go. Oh, yeah. Nice. Dude, that looks nice. Ooh, a little bit of static electricity there. Dang. Okay. Woo, better be careful there. Oh, there we go. So there's our AoC monitor. And it feels pretty solid when mounted here. Kensington lock, HDMI port, VGA. So it doesn't have DVI apparently. So this model doesn't have DVI. Headphone jack, I don't think this has any speakers. So this is a budget monitor anyways. And our power input. So kind of interesting inputs there and outputs. So we have controls here. I don't know which one's which. Left, right, menu maybe, and then power. So there you go. Let's plug this guy in and see what it looks like. All right, guys, so here is the monitor itself. As you can see, I like it. The design is pretty nice. As you can see, it's also curved. I like the design, although there is a slight bezel, but it's super not noticeable when you turn it off because the glass or whatever protection on the display is to the edges. The screen material is slightly matte, but also slightly reflective. So as you can see, color viewing angles are pretty good. The vertically, it does shift a little bit more than your typical, IPS monitor, but horizontally, the colors are still pretty good, in my opinion. So that's not bad. There's that UFO test. Unfortunately, the camera is recording at 30 FPS, so you can't really see much. But I think for the most part, there's a little bit of ghosting, very, very small bit. But I think this price point at this quality, I think that's not bad. Anyway, we're gonna play a game and see what the quality looks like, and then we'll end the unboxing. All right, guys, so here is the monitor itself. We're playing Forza Horizon 4. Great game. Running around with my R32, a little bit of a banged up R32 here because I've been driving a little bit. For the most part, I think this color quality is pretty good. I think, you know, a little bit more saturation would be nice. You can sort of change things a little bit with the OSD, the on-screen display. And you can change a little bit, like color temperature and contrast and whatnot. So I plugged in a small speaker right here just so we can test it out. Image quality, I think, is pretty good. There's not a lot of ghosting that I notice. You can see right here. A little bit, but you know, not enough that I would say it's really terrible. Look at this, flowers and stuff, windmills, very nice. That's the UK England for you. So yeah, that's it for now. That's the unboxing of the AoC C24B1H. Alex from the Technical Asset Company. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.